How do you sort mixed data types in an Excel column? Imagine you're looking at a list that has numbers, words, and dates all mixed together. Sorting this kind of data can seem tricky at first, but with a few simple steps, you can organize it perfectly. Excel sorts data based on its type by default. Numbers come before text, and dates are treated as numbers too. If your column has both numbers and text, Excel might sort them in an order you don't expect. For example, numbers might appear before words, or blank cells could end up at the bottom. Before sorting, make sure your data is clean. Select your entire data range, including headers, and check for any blank rows or merged cells. If some numbers are stored as text, they will sort differently from actual numbers. You can spot these by looking for numbers aligned to the left or by using the formula is equal to isNumber, cell. To sort mixed data types, start with the Sort dialog box. Click any cell in your data, go to the Data tab and choose Sort. Pick the column you want to sort by, set the sort to cell values, and choose your order. This works well if your data is mostly uniform. But if your column has both numbers and text, you might want to create helper columns. Helper columns are a good way to separate data types. Use formulas like is equal to isNumber, A2, to mark cells with numbers as true and text as false. Then, copy this formula down the column. Next, sort your data first by this helper column, putting trues first for numbers, then by the original data column. This way, numbers and text stay grouped, making your data easier to analyze. Sometimes numbers are stored as text, which can cause sorting issues. To fix this, multiply the text numbers by 1 in a helper column, like is equal to A2*1, or use the text to columns feature. Select the column, go to Data, then Text to Columns, and choose General. This converts text numbers into real numbers. If you want a specific order for text, like sorting days of the week or priority levels, create a custom list. In the Sort dialog, choose Order, then Custom List. You can add your sequence, and Excel will sort based on that order. When working with multiple columns, you can sort by more than one. Use the Sort dialog's Add Level button to first sort by data type, then by value. This keeps related data together and makes your spreadsheet more organized. For example, if you have employee IDs as numbers and department names as text, create a helper column with is equal to isNumber, A2. Sort first by this column to group numbers and text separately. Then, sort within each group if needed. Always check your data before sorting. Remove blank rows and avoid merged cells. If your version of Excel supports it, use the sort or filter functions for dynamic sorting. For more complex needs, VBA macros can automate sorting rules for mixed data types. By following these steps, you can handle any mixed data in your Excel columns. Sorting becomes straightforward, and your data analysis will be more accurate and easier to interpret.